Hi everyone, and welcome back. Look at what I have. Here's another butter unboxing. Yeah, I know, I went crazy. Promise myself will not do it. But I just couldn't. Oh my god, my self-control is so bad when it comes to BTS. So these are like what, 3 sets of butter, both peaches and cream. And these ones were the pre-order specific, like it came with a specific pre-order benefit for 3 different stores. So one is M2U, then this one is Soundwave, and this one is Powerhouse, I think it's called. Let's see. Oh, Powerstation. So yeah, these are special ones. I got this set from, I was trying to figure out how to order on Korean, in their Korean stores directly, just using the proxy service, and I couldn't. More used to like Japanese stores, but I just couldn't figure it out. So I went with Cokodive, which they usually do those pre-order, you know, from special places. However, they charge so much. Like, the price of an album was probably twice their regular price on Weverse. So and the last time, like, this package came in, actually, they came in with folded posters, which were just added at the bottom of the box, and they got bent, so I'm not even gonna show them here. I was very disappointed. I actually sent them an email saying, like, you really need to step up your game when it comes to packaging, because you're already charging us extra for buying these, and now due to COVID they're also charging for the shipping. It used to be free before, and now it's $9.99, all in US dollars. And like, you would not want to know how much I spent money in Canadian dollars on this. So I will be selling those. Right now I have a couple of butter albums on eBay, but I will also have them on my website, and I'm selling them for $40 Canadian, with some inclusions and some special pre-order benefits like duplicates that I have. I'm just saying this here in the video before I forget, and obviously some of this will go on sale there as well. But yeah, eBay has been also kind of like, they kind of suck too. Anyway, so I'm gonna have a look at these a bit later. All I want to do is open all of them to see if I get the photo cards, which I have not pulled yet, and then I will look at those. I'm not gonna flip through pictures, even though they're gorgeous. So let's start. Actually, I'm gonna even show you which photo cards I've pulled so far first, and also just for my own benefit, so that I don't forget. Maybe I should show my binder. Actually, I have more than one, obviously, on a video. Let me know if someone would be interested in that. Okay, so here's everything that I have. These were the pre-orders from Weverse, and this one too, and then I pulled Hobby, like OT7. I pulled Cookie. This one I think is from, yeah, this is Peaches, and also another one. I pulled like 3 of Taehyun's. One I traded, one is mine, and this one I just traded for. So I'm missing 1 Jungkook, 1 Suga, but I will be, as always, more than happy to receive pretty much anyone. And in terms of messages from members, I think I have them all. No, I'm missing Hobby and I'm missing Suga. Okay, cool. So let's see. I'm terrible at remembering which photo cards I'm missing. I'm mostly relying on my visual memory, which is much better than, you know, memorizing something else. Honestly, my memory just sucks when it comes to names, but visually I remember things. Okay, so Let's see where the photo card is. And I also wanted to say that when I sell my my albums, they usually come with QR codes that you get, because I live in Canada. For some reason I cannot use those QR cards on Weverse. So yeah, so something like this, it will, the album will come with this. Yeah, so all the usual inclusions. And so I got a message card from Jimin, which I already have, and it's super cute. I love it. Look at this, it's so cute. Okay, and the photo card that I got is Hobby. So I already have him. Too bad, but that's okay. I think I got Hobby twice as well. So okay, so here's second copy. Here is the message card. The message card is also Jimin. Like, look at this. Oh, and I got Jimin. I don't have this one. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Okay, and the third copy. The last time I spent so much money on Cokodive was when I was buying the B album deluxe versions. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, probably deluxe and also like essential version. But deluxe was so expensive. It was like $70 Canadian per album for those specific like the store inclusions. It was, yeah, it's crazy. I did sell most of them. Actually, I only have one B deluxe now, which is kind of surprising considering, like, you know, how many I purchased. Okay, where is the photo card? Come on. Oh, I think I saw it. It's the unit one. Well, not the unit, but the whole group. It's very cute, but I already have it. And Jimin once again. Okay. That's definitely getting... will be up for grabs. I mean, I'm open to trading as well, but mostly I'm interested in getting rid of extra copies. So, okay, so peaches are done, now cream. And my cat is back. Please don't. No, 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 no. Okay, so... okay, let's see. Let's see. Up here. Okay. Jin. Okay, I already have Jin's message, I believe. And the photo card is Taehyun again. Come on. Okay, well. So far, I only got one photo card, which... come on, where are you going? Okay, my cat wants to participate. That's great. That's terrific. Thank you very much, sir. Just go away. Go away, please. Okay, well. I wish you could see how he almost sat down. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't step on the photo cards. Oh, you little thing. What is this? Like, stop doing that. Okay, stop photobombing me. Here we go. I also have X-Acto knife on my desk, so I don't want him to step on that. Okay, so far out of 4 albums, I got only Jimin photo card, which I hadn't had before. That's a bit disappointing, but that's life of a collector. So, like I was saying last time, I purchased those B albums, and I also got M2U and Soundwave pre-order benefits. I got extremely lucky because I got both versions of Jungkook. Like, I don't think I will ever be this lucky again. Okay, let's see what I have here. Oh, Jungkook message, which I already have as well. What is this? Like, why do I get him so much in this one? Oh boy. I know that a lot of people like to collect Taehyun, and I love him. I usually collect all members, but my priorities are Jungkook and Suga. So, okay, the last copy. I have a feeling, and this is often the case when I order multiple copies from Weavers, is that they kind of pull them from the same stack, which means that you get duplicates of photo cards. Okay, no, don't. Sorry, my cat was going to jump. She's not gonna let me film in peace, I feel like. Oh no! Oh no, oh no, oh no! You gotta be kidding me. What? And that's Jin again. Wow. Can you imagine? Out of 6 copies, only 1 not duplicate. Man. Well, what can I say? Someone will be very lucky because I will be selling all of those extra copies with Taehyun. So, yeah, because I do not need this many of him. So I usually create like sets. I add the same member photo card with a message if I have one. So, wow, that's yeah. Okay. So now let's look at the special photo cards. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. So what they did was they were adding one extra one photo card for each copy. But if you got a set, like I did, you would get 3 photo cards with different members. So let's start with the Powerstation. I have not seen those photo cards yet, so let's see what I've got here. Oh, hubby. That's so cute. Oh, yay! Sugar! Okay, so now I'll probably get Jin or something. Shut the front door. Oh my god, I got 2 of my biases. That's what I was saying. Like, oh my god. Okay. Okay. Wow. My cat wants to participate, obviously. He thinks I'm talking about him because I call Suga. And my cat's name is Suga. Yes. I called him after Yoongi. Wow, okay. I need to breathe. So this one is Soundwave, so let's have a look at this one. I don't think I will be this lucky again. But at least something. Okay, so oh, Jimin. Nice. V. Oh, that's so cute. Jin. So I got like different members. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Let me put it like this. I wonder if they did it intentionally or not. Okay, and M2U. Manifesting more Yoongi and Jungkook. Okay. Jin. Hobby. Oh my god, Jungkook. Yay. That's so cool. So I got Jungkook here, and I got Jungkook here, and Yoongi here. So I'm missing Jungkook and Yoongi in God, I'm blanking out already. Soundwave, and one Yoongi in M2U. Wow, believe me, those photo cards will be very expensive on eBay. I'm not selling any of those. And I apologize about the sounds. Hello, good morning, Toronto, Friday, 8 a.m. You should not be doing that, sir. Okay, so, oh my god, I cannot believe I got Jungkook twice. I was really hoping I would, but his photo cards are so goddamn expensive if you want to buy them. Which is, I think, atrocious, to be honest. I don't think it's fair for two other fans to sell them at that price, so I never overprice either my photo cards if they sell them separately or albums. I always list at the same price for all members. Like, I feel it's unfair how they sell, for example, Jin's photo cards for very cheap, and Jungkook can be, I don't know, 10 times more, which is ridiculous. So I don't do that, and obviously I'm keeping all of that, but this stuff goes for sale with the albums, and I'm keeping Jimin. But yeah, now I'm like, oh my god, now I'm gonna be so tempted to order from Cokodive again. God, I should really restrain myself. But so pretty. I loved their looks in Permission to Dance. So good. So good. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for coming along this unboxing journey with me. What did I say, journey? I wonder. I need more coffee. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, guys, and please let me know if you bought any of those special like copies with special photo cards. I would love to know that. And yeah, let me know if you have any comments down below. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.